Have you know the dinosaur movie? Like dinosaurs, it's literally just called Dinosaurs.
Where is
Yeah,
the?
I remember that movie.
No, you
No.
don't. That movie's the worst movie ever.
Yeah, I remember watching it.
You should be glad that wasn't included then, because this game came out in PS2 era originally.
Oh, right.
So pretty close to that.
Oh, fucking Chicken Little was. Oh, it's 2000. It's just straight up
I
2000.
don't care what any of you say. Fuck off if you think I'm gonna turn on Atlantica. I am not dealing with the Little Mermaid QuickTime event musicals.
That sounds funny.
Should I just keep the hand time piano options as
Okay, hold
is?
on. I didn't hear.
Um.
Why did Kidare post fucking
Grug.
So these are options to force items to stay
you don't-
native in their world. I'm not.
There's
touching
something
any of these.
better.
I
You
just
don't do
want
that.
to-
You should.
No, I'm not touching any of them. They're gonna stay random. I just
Donald
I just
Limit?
wanna show you the-
404 link.
I just want to show you the list.
Donald
What?
Limit?
Donald.
Installed the.
Oh, it's
I downloaded
Kingdom
the
Hearts. Oh,
Yeah. Did you
that's
not realize it
why.
was Kingdom
I thought it was just some sort of like crack fic of a fan game. No,
Did you
it's
not
Kingdom
know?
Hearts.
Did you not? What you just described is Kingdom Hearts.
Get Archie,
The Donald.
That's 33 things now.
Here's Chicken Little, by the way.
Donald.
Just that way you guys remember for sure.
Chicken
We got Chicken Little in here.
Chicken Little. Local items. Chicken Little.
Chicken Little should be the only
This is
local
the
item.
option to, like, walk
He
up
cannot
and-
leave Kingdom Hearts.
Jabibi?
Actually,
Uh,
it would be even
I'm pretty-
fucking funnier if, like, I'm like minding my own business. I find a check and you have unlocked Chicken Little.
They might have to open the Steam browser window. Maybe.
Oh yes, my favorite item, explosion.
Who's gonna be the lucky
Hell
one
yeah.
to fight Chicken Little?
Hey! Archie Ligo!
Chicken Little is Freak's containment.
We got goofy damage control.
Still can't get over how
Dude.
baby trap
This
weight
shit
is an
sucks.
option.
I
This shit's so magnificent.
We got goofy